Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you're new. Kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa ating channel guys, I do financial videos. My financial journey videos, that's why we called it Financial Journey by Val. And I'm currently working full-time and at the same time, meron din akong mga side businesses. And with this channel, I'm sharing my journey as I build my financial goals. So today, supposed to be I mentioned on my previous video na it was supposed to be a cash stuffing, but sad to say, I accidentally deleted my paycheck number 2 video. So wala na, I can't recover it kahit nga yung trash bin na cleared out ko. So, it's all deleted there. So now, ang i-discuss natin guys, it's going to be a credit card 101. So, it's not a typical tips, but still gonna be my personal journey when I was having a credit card guys. So, I can still say that I'm a credit card newbie because I think 1 year plus pa akong credit card user. So yung i-discuss natin guys is first would be disregard nyo yan guys. It's not about the topic, so let me just put it here para hindi kayo ma-distract. Ano ba yung lalagay ko dyan? Anyways, so yung natin guys, yung first one in applying. So yung misconception ng iba that credit card is like an evil, credit card is not a good thing kasi nga uutang ka sa bangko. Actually at first, yun din yung thinking ko with a credit card, but then there's advantages in using a credit card, but at the same time meron ding mga disadvantage if nami-misuse nyo yung credit card guys, which we will be discussing later on. I know marami na siyang mga ibang credit card videos, credit card 101 videos, credit card tips, credit card blah blah blah, pros and cons, but with the one that I'm currently sharing on this video is my own personal. So, hindi po ako financial guru or I am not really in pro or professional or or hindi ako talagang financial guru thingy. So, all in here is my personal journey. So if ever po na you have something to share or you have your own experience, then you can always comment on the comment section and let's see what are those. So at least naman baka may makarelate din naman sa mga stories ninyo and then may makarelate din sa akin. So ang haba ng intro ko, so let's start with credit card. So what is a credit card guys? Of course everyone knows that it's a piece of paper. I'm about to show you my credit cards here, but I thought not doing that. So I thought na hindi ko na lang papakita kasi hindi ako prepared, hindi ko nalagyan ng mga masking tape yung mga important numbers or information sa card, kaya hindi ko mapapakita ngayon. So credit card is not an evil to the extent na alam mo kung paano siya gamitin. So to me, credit card is useful when I'm making a cardless transaction. Like let's say I'm not bringing any money or I'm not bringing right here, and the benefit that I'm getting from a credit card is I'm using that for an installment with gadgets. So especially nung nabili ko yung aking DJI or anything that is related na super laki ng perang gagastuhin ko, especially if hindi ko siya kayang i-buy cash. So sorry if meron kayong background noise na naririnig, aso po namin yan umiiyak. Okay, so that's one of the benefit that I can see with a credit card. So it's convenient for me with a cardless transaction. But the cons nun is that if hindi ka talaga marunong mag-manage ng inyong pera, you will get tempted on the amount that you are seeing from the credit card. Especially if meron kang super laking credit card limits. For me kasi, yung first credit card that I received, they gave me 20,000 credit card limit. And that's for 1 month. And I thought 20,000 was actually enough or big for me kasi hindi naman ako masyadong magastos before, hindi naman tumataas yung expenses ko. But then I realized that 20k is not enough. Maybe because I'm purchasing a large amount of mga installment basis, especially phone and gadgets, especially mga gadgets na. So that's the thing. So my journey before I decided to get a credit card is that I wanted to understand or gusto kong malaman kung ano ba yung benefit na makukuha ko dito. And the first thing na talagang gusto kong ma-build using the credit card is yung credit card score ko sa mga bangko. So when you are having a good and great credit card standing, it's that when you have the very high chances na ma-approve ka ng mga loans or mga big or huge purchases ng mga bangko. So let's say, for example, in the future, gusto namin kumuha ng bahay at lupa na gusto naming ipa-installment or gamitin si bangko para mag-loan. So at least it's easier for us if malaki na yung credit card score ko doon. Next is that's the one big huge advantage that I decided na talaga mag-credit card. Second is that yun nga, convenient for me. Hindi ko na kailangang magdala ng mga cash or mga pera just to purchase something. Yun yung mga dalawang benefit na nakikita ko doon, no? And then, when I decided to get that credit card, I decided to apply first in BPI. So, that's the very first thing. Kasi nga si BPI, yun yung savings account ko, parang on and off. Pero yun yung pinaka first savings account ko ha. And then, na-deactivate, na-reactivate, deactivate, reactivate. So, I thought na okay si BPI, ma-approve ako kasi nga meron na akong account doon. But sad to say, after 30 days that I received or I applied, na-decline ako. So, I was declined. I'm not really sure what happened or hindi ko talaga alam ang story behind bakit na-decline ako ng credit card. So, yun nga guys, applying for credit card, hindi siya immediately ma-approve ka ha, kasi they will still wanted to see your accounts, your standing as a credit card. So, meaning you need to build trust with the bank institutions that you are applying to. Nga, nag-apply ako sa BPI, I got declined. That's when I decided na I'm moving on to my next savings account, which is si Union Bank. Guys, so si Union Bank, meron akong account doon, but it's with the SSS. Although, meron din siyang amount na na-deposit doon. But, the good thing with the Union Bank is, yun nga, when I applied with the Union Bank, I got immediately approved. Maybe because I have a little savings account. Pero, ang pagkakaalam ko, you can only have or you can get an approval with the Union Bank credit card if meron kang savings account na merong laman na 10,000. So, it doesn't have to be like how long it's in your account. When siya na-deposit ng ganong amount or anything like that. Kasi when I applied, yung account ko meron na siyang laman. But yung friend ko na nag-apply, when I told him na I got approved with the credit card Union Bank, and he thought na ma-approve din siya, but he also got declined kasi one, wala siyang account, and then they mentioned na we will approve your application if meron ka pong savings account na merong laman na 10,000, or kung mag-create ka ng savings account at the same time meron po siyang laman na 10,000. Yun yung yun yung term ni Union Bank. So that's it. That's one tip. And then after nun, so I have built my credit score with the Union Bank. So I believe mga 2 months after akong na-approve ni Union Bank, BDO emailed me, or siguro hindi email data, parang nag-text. So sabi niya yung credit card ko daw on the way na. And then ako na-confused kasi hindi nga ako nag-apply, 'di ba? So they just texted me na meron on the way na daw yung credit card ko. Sige, sabi ko baka hindi legit, baka scam lang. But like 1 to 2 weeks ata dumating na yung card. I accepted it. And then when I check, kasi nga yung papel na na include doon sa credit card is kung magkano yung credit card limit mo. So when I saw the credit card limit, si Union Bank, by the way guys, is yung naibigay nila is 20,000 lang, which is for me at the time okay. After ng 20,000, after nung ni-send ni BDO yung credit card ko, I received the 40,000 credit card limit. So it actually nakaka-tempted siyang i-activate. So at nung sinabihan ko yung partner ko, sabi ko, I will think about it of activating kasi for now, hindi ko talaga siya kailangan. So I was like holding myself na hindi ako mag-activate ng dalawang credit card at the same time kasi nga matitempted ka, especially si BDO na super laki yung binigay niya ha. Siguro to anyone here, hindi ganon kalaki. Pero for me, 40,000 is malaki na siya compared to the 20,000. So sabi ko, I'm not gonna be activating this because I will be tempted. But the days, months went on, yung BDO, useful siya talaga kapag nagpa-purchase ka ng mga appliances. So, first time ko siyang na-activate is when we decided na kumuha ng TV. And then yung TV kasi it's worth like 38,000. Oo, 38,000 siya. 38,000. So, it can cover the credit limit ng BDO, it can cover the whole amount of the installment. So yun, doon na time na na-activate na siya, and when it got activated, yun nga, we started to use the BDO for like installment basis na mga items. So Union Bank is for like daily needs, like for the gasoline, for grocery, for restaurant, or fast food, yung gamit namin doon. So, right now, I'm having 2 credit cards, which you usually see in my cash stuffing video. So, si Union Bank, yun yung purpose niya, and then si BDO din yung purpose. Now, if you will be asking me, yung first year ko ni Union Bank, waive nila yung annual fee. Same thing with BDO. Yung annual fee nila is talagang remove siya. But after 1 year, si Union Bank, the good thing about the Union Bank is that yung mga na-earn points ko doon is I can convertible siya to waive the principal annual fee ko sa credit card. So that's okay. Kaya nga nagagamit ko siya every now and then kasi every transaction may points ako, and then yung points na yon kaya ko siyang i-save up para sa mga transactions ko or para sa pag-waive ng annual fee. Now, with the BDO, guys, I have like 2 options now. So, I can do a monthly fee or I can do a annual fee. So, yung monthly fee ko is 150 pesos per month ha. Yung annual fee is, I guess, 1,800. So, sinabi ko na lang na I'll gonna go for the monthly fee kasi 150, parang pikit mata ko na lang, hindi ko na lang siya i-imagine na nagbabayad ako ng 150 each month. So, that's affordable pa naman siya. So, yun nga. Yun yung story ko with my credit card. And then, with managing the credit card, guys, I have created how I do my credit card transaction. So, you go ahead and check that. Wala na akong masyadong masabi pa about sa credit card journey ko. So, hopefully, meron lang kayong idea. Just wanted to share with you guys yung story ko, yung journey ko in having a credit card. I'm not sure if meron pa ba akong dapat i-cover dito, but hopefully if you have something or if meron kayong mga question about credit card, i-comment nyo sa baba and we will be discussing that on a separate video. Thank you for joining me in this video guys up until the end, and if hanggang sa dulo nyo pa napanood ang video na to guys, i-comment nyo naman CC. Okay? Para malaman ko na up until the end, meron pa rin nanonood. So, CC lang. So, CC stands for credit card. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video and share this.